What up, good peoples? What's happening, man? It's your boy, man. Hey, I know it's sad that people don't watch video, man. Hey, I gotta keep it moving. I got folks I got to make this money for, man. But anyway, like the video right now, man. Before you do anything, smash up them likes, man. Let's get to 2,000 likes, man. I'm tripping, man. But anyway, man. Hey, let me say this. I keep forgetting to say it. If you got a small bag, you know what I'm saying? If you just a little person in the game trying to come up off a couple dollars, two people you need to watch, man. You need to go to Big Smart Crypto and Muddy Mo. Watch them two guys. If you got like a real small bag and you can't be stomping with the big dog, you need to watch them guys. My channel, we slang we slang big boy. I don't want to say, you know, what I'm saying, 'cause child support might be listening. Baby mama might be listening. But y'all know how we do, man. We carry the sledgehammer over here, man. Them boys, they do a little hammering and nailing, you know what I'm saying? And that's good. You gotta start, you know what I'm saying? But that's what you need to watch. You watching me, you better put your big boy pants on to carry your sledgehammer. I'm the guy you watch when you ain't got but two E and you want to put it all on red and let it ride. You know what I'm saying? You might get rich, you might get wrecked. That's just the way crypto is, baby. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, we're gonna get to it. T2X, man. I'm gonna make a 70,000 T2X stake today. But I made some good dividends. Boy, I had some stakes to end. Boy, I got some good dividends. I know it's a scam. It's a scam. Everything is a scam. I know. You know what I'm saying? You can save your breath. Everything is a scam. But that scam got me looking blood. got that Tron thing fat and Tron 2 cent too. This just my Tron wallet. I know it's a scam. I know, man. I know they're gonna run off with it. I know. You scared, get a dog, baby. Got my bag up over here, Tron chain. You feel me? You understand what I'm saying? I know it's a scam too. I know. Save your breath. I got 4 more thousand to pull up out of here. Pure TRX, no coin. Pure TRX, TRX in, TRX out, baby. I know it's a scam. I know. Everything is a scam. Ether chain, I know. Remember when Ether Gold came out? Oh, Ether chain is a scam. It's in the code. Everybody had this little code thing. That's in the function. It's gonna drain out. Man, oh my God, y'all killing me, man. Anyway, got another 0.3 ETH to pull out right here, man. You know what I'm saying? What you want me to say? If you scary, man, I don't know what to tell you. What else we got going on? 2X Divvy, you know what it is. Look at that. 8,000 in the contract. Let me show you something. I showed you this. I'm gonna blow that up. See if I can get this thing for. I showed you this when it was 279 ETH in the contract. It's gonna drain. Here's the thing, the function gonna drain. It ain't gonna last. It's a scam. 8,000 ETH later, I done already cycled out one. I done put out 7 ETH out this time. I got to put out another 0.48. Y'all know ETH going up too. Let me see. Let me show you something. Another thing. My channel is not for beginners, man. I had a guy get in this. I ain't gonna say his name. He inboxed me and said, man, I keep hitting withdraw, and all it's showing me is the gas fee. I keep hitting withdraw, it keeps showing me the gas fee. Bro, hit confirm. Like, it's gonna go straight to your wallet. I don't understand. Bro, that's why you don't never see me with no tutorials. You don't see me with no how to get a MetaMask, how to get Tron. This ain't for you, bro. This ain't no beginner's channel. That's why I do my channel the way I do. Anything you get in with me, you got to already know what you're doing. So I know you know the risk. You understand what I'm saying? It's just like being in the strip club. You ain't 10 years, you ain't got no business in now. You know what I'm saying? The dance ain't gonna ask you how old you is. You just gonna say you won't dance, baby. you in here? See what I'm saying? That's how life is, man. You know, you got to go to them channels, man, where they're gonna show, hey, how to do it. I think Crypto Maverick do that. Hey, how to do this, how to do that. No, bro, you want to make some money? This is what you need to be in. That's what I do. You know what I mean? I ain't with all that other stuff trying to pump your bags. I ain't Bitboy and diving on that stuff. I can do that every day. Just go down CoinMarketCap, tell you your coin the best thing on earth. It's gonna 10x. Everybody, you get 1,000,000 viewers if you do that. Oh, XRP gonna million X tomorrow. Oh, Ontology gonna million X. Neo next up. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's easy. That ain't what I do, man. You know, I'm real. 90% of us, or 90% of y'all, ain't making no money in crypto. I am. You know what I'm saying? Because I ain't scared. You know what I'm saying? Let me see. I'll make this withdrawal. Look, don't get caught up in all these numbers. This is the only number you need to worry about. Withdrawable income. You ain't got nothing in the box, you ain't got nothing to withdraw. Don't get caught up in all this. Withdrawable income. Now watch. Do this right here so I can show you. What I got? 2.41. So after that, I should have 2.9, 2.89, something like that. I'm going to show you now. I'm going to do it. All I'm going to do is hit withdraw. That's it. Gas fee going to come up. My man said, the gas fee keep coming up. I'm like, bro, hit confirm, bro. What did you... Man, that shit was so funny to me. Shout out to you, man. I mean, hey, everybody got to learn, man. Now you just wait on the Ethereum. It's out of their hands. Now it's in Ethereum hands. You know what I'm saying? This ain't got nothing to do with it. No matter what DApp you in. We all complain about how slow Ethereum is. You know what I'm saying? So it's gone. We're going to see if it hit my wallet. Just that simple. I mean, it's going to pay until it don't. That's the one thing I love about crypto, man. You can save your breath by everything is a scam. Look at this right here, man. This is an offshoot of the original. I don't care nothing about what you're talking about, the code and all that. Here's the original right here. It pays 5%. The community said, hey, this 5% is good, but boy, what if we did 10%? The community did that. So the developers say, well, yeah, fuck it. I do a 10%. Y'all want it, I do it. He just made a 10%. This one's still going. If this one ain't scammed, what? This one ain't even scammed out. This one ain't scammed out. You know what I'm saying? This is the commit. Look at this. This is a lot of reinvest. Like Stank Mouth Charlie was saying, like, the reason these things die is because people don't support the platform. You got to go back in these platforms to support them. As long, just like T2X or anything else, you keep going, you keep reinvesting, it'll hold up. You see what I'm saying? I went back in. You see that? I put in 2 ETH. I cycled out, pulled out 6. I put another 5. And here I am. Every day I'm going to get 0.5. Let me refresh here this thing. Let's see, 8335. Let me see if any more went in the contract. Let's see. It was 8335. Now it's 8422. Almost 100 ETH done went in the contract since I've been talking. But you scared, but it's a scam. Man, you crazy as hell. I don't understand people. All right, now, let's see. It's saying it's gone. Let's see if it hit my wallet. I had what? 2.41? Let's see what I got now. It's either there or it's not. Just that simple. 2.9. You see it. It's in my wallet. It's just that simple. It withdraw, bro. That's it. This thing is paying you 10% a day, but people, I don't know. But hey, I see you. I see my pay. I got 32 people there, so they ain't complaining. Hey, it is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? But hey, I don't want to force you into nothing you don't want to do. But everything is a risk in crypto, man. Everything. You know what I'm saying? I used to then delete comments on my videos. You know what I'm saying? I used to let it ride. But I said, man, fuck that. Because you're going to come here talking about the team and who this and who that. Until you can tell me who started crypto and who Satoshi Nakamoto is. Get the fuck on. You know what I'm saying? All this shit is a scam then. Who are the team behind crypto? You can't pick and choose when you want transparency and when you don't. You on the wrong channel. Get the hell on with all that, man. You know what I'm saying? So that's just me. I might be a little bit too risky for everybody else. But if I'm going to take the risk, I'm going to get paid for it. Anything I can pull out this kind of E from with a little bit of investment, I'm taking it. Period. You just seen the contract go up. And this is the contract. What was it? 844. Let me see if it's catching up. 8422. Let me see if the contract catching up. This is the Etherscan. Look at that. It's the Etherscan. It ain't saying 5,000, 4,000. It's the Etherscan, bro. What you want me to say, man? You know what you want me to find a LinkedIn to the man and this and that and go inbox him and ask some questions and try to get the chat up and get some emails and bye, man. Go ahead on over there to Kangot. That what you want? Go to Kangot, bro. This ain't for you. We making 10% over here. ETH in, ETH out. None of your shit coins. I don't want no black tokens. I don't want no indie tokens. I don't want nothing with a token. I don't want it. ETH in, ETH out. I don't want to give you 50% and you drip me back my own money for 12 months. No. What kind of school y'all went to, man? Hell no. Man, I don't get off on that tangent, man. I just want to do a little crypto dap yap, man. You know what I'm saying? I got to do a 70,000 stake. Why, you know what I'm saying? I'm over here making crypto, man. I know it's a scam, man. I know they're going to take off with the Troy, man. But hey, whatever, bro. You know what I'm saying? Video getting too long, man. Hey, like the video, man. Comment, subscribe. And if you scared, go get a dog, man. Go sleep in there with your grandma, man. Holla at your boy.